Good morning, children. This is our EVS class. Today we are going to complete chapter 4 My Needs Water from your workbook. So, this is page number 11. Take the correct answer. Humans, plants, and dash cannot live without water. Animals, lakes, whales. So, humans, plants, and animals cannot live without water. We get water from animals, lakes, plants, lakes. Snow is also a source of water. Yes, no, both. So the answer is yes. We get underground water from ponds, animals, where. Okay. Water helps in cooking, bathing, both. Both. Cooking, bathing, both. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks with the help of given words. Dash is the source of water. So, what are the words? River, well, pipes, taps, shape, bucket. Dash is a source of water. So, which of the following is the source of water? River. Yes, river is the source of water. So, write river here. Next, number B. We get underground water from the whale. W-E-L-L. Dash and dash are used for water supply. So, pipes and taps are used. So, write here pipes and taps are used for water supply. Water doesn't have a fixed shape. In our homes, we store water in buckets. Okay, next. Tick for right and cross for wrong statement. Plants can live without water. No, this is wrong. Plants cannot live like human and animals. Plants also cannot live without water. So this one is wrong. Rain and snow are sources of water. Yes. These are the two main sources of water. Water is not present under the ground. No, this one is wrong. As you know, we get underground water from whale. Okay. We should always drink clean water. Yes, we should always drink clean water. Clean water is colorless. Yes, clean water is colorless. This one is also true. Now, why do we need water? We have discussed the answer in course book also. So, write the answer. Why do we need water? Write some uses of water here. We need water for drinking, cooking, bathing, cleaning, etc. Number B. What are the properties of water? So, you know, water doesn't have a fixed shape, and clean water doesn't have any smell, color or taste. Okay. So, write the answer. Water doesn't have a fixed shape. Write the answer. Water Water doesn't have a fixed shape. F-I-X-E-D, fixed. This is the answer of number B. Okay, fixed shape. And clean water, you can write using number 1, 2. Clean water doesn't have, I'm writing here, doesn't have any smell, color and taste. Any smell, color and write taste. T-A-S-T-E. Okay, T-A-S-T-E, taste. So the answer is water doesn't have a fixed shape and clean water doesn't have any smell, color and taste. I am repeating the answer. What are the properties of water? You can write in this way. Number 1, water doesn't have a fixed shape. Then write number 2, clean water doesn't have any smell, color and taste. In this way, write 2 properties of water. Now the next question is, list out some ways to save water. So as we discussed earlier, here write some ways, write 3 ways, okay, to save water. Right, we must get leaking taps repaired. We should turn off the taps while brushing teeth. Okay, we should use bucket to wash our car, vehicles. We should take a bath. We shouldn't take a bath under a shower, and we should use bucket and mug to bath. We should collect rainwater. So write any 3 ways to save water. Now number 6, list out some methods to save water other than the ones mentioned in the book. So children, here you have to write more ways to save water that are not mentioned in your book. So think about it. Think some ways to save water. Like you can write, we can store rainwater to water the plants, or we can use our remaining water of our water bottle to water the plants. So think about some more ways to save water and write at least 2 of them. Now number B, how are the rivers formed? Children, rivers are formed when snow melted snow and with rainwater also. So when glacier, snow of glacier, ice of glacier melt, that forms water, and river form with rainwater. So these are the 2 ways in which rivers are formed. Okay, rivers are formed. Next, draw 2 containers in which you store water. So draw any 2 containers. You can draw a bucket, a bottle, water bottle. Okay, so draw any 2 container in the given space here that we use to store water. So in this way, complete this chapter of your workbook. Thank you.